Do you want me to launch it, or do you want to launch it?
Oh, you want to get one? Oh.
It's up to you.
Alright. Big gearing cells out there, alright?
We'll be, once we get out there, I swap. I won't go through any waves. I'll just wait until there's a lull, and then we'll go, like in the water. So don't expect me to bash you through any waves, alright?
Alright.
How's that? Is that locked in? Just gonna have that ready to go. Just to the edge, and then we'll wait. Yep, just here. This is going to be a very quick jump in, so we'll wait. Wait. Take our time. More. A bit more. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Yep, just start making our way. Once this wave crashes over the top. Yep. I don't know what's going on with that motor. The motor's not going.